Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how you can use today's tools to earn you more money. Most of this information I'm about to share today should not be a surprise to you, but you may just not have thought that you could do these things yourself. But before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." We will reply to as many comments as possible on this video. Watch this video to the end to find out some of the most important and available tools you can use to earn you more money. Okay, let's get started. If your car is having mechanical issues that prevent you from driving it, do you have options to get from point A to point B? If you want to get in shape but do not have a gym membership, do you have other options to get fit? If you are moving and there is a box that is too heavy for you to carry, is there anything available that can assist you in moving that oversized box? Simply put, once we acknowledge the tools that we have at our disposal, such as an Uber or a workout video or a dolly, the better our chances will be to reach the ultimate goal. The same goes for making money. By using today's tools, you could find yourself reaching your financial goals sooner than thought possible. Number 1. Your current employer. Yes, you heard that right. Your employer may be able to generate more income for you other than from your earned weekly or bi-weekly paycheck. If you have a 401k set up through your employer, then you now have a tool at your disposal to help you save and have money for when you need it the most. Many people, unfortunately, choose to waive this valuable savings plan, mainly because of the investment that would be deducted from each paycheck. Instead of using the out-of-sight, out-of-mind way of thinking, many people cannot see the bigger picture that this tool provides. Although we all want instant gratification when it comes to being financially free, we also must think long-term, and having a 401k savings plan is the way to go. However, as with anything else, there are pros and cons to this financial tool, so doing your research is vital. But if you have joined the countless others that are enrolled in this program, then use it to its full extent for your benefit. Read and learn about your plan and if your company has an employer match program, which equals free money for you. Fortunately, life's unexpected circumstances are also covered in this plan, which is another plus for having this tool. For example, most, if not all 401k plans have loan options available if you need to withdraw funds earlier than expected. Loans on one hand will need to be repaid, while on the other hand, hardship withdrawals do not. Now, just imagine if you did not contribute to 401k. There would be no emergency fund to withdraw on at all. This program may not be for everyone, but if you are someone that is concerned for the future of you and your family and want to have an early plan of action, then this is a win-win. It is a savings plan made easy and is a great way to build a professionally managed portfolio. Number 2. Your $1,000 phone. Who does not own an expensive iPhone or a Samsung smartphone in today's society? These mini pocket computers can cost as much as a month's worth of rent or maybe 2 car payments. The question is, what do you use your phone for? Do you use it to aimlessly surf the internet? Do you use it to scroll through your social media platforms for hours on end? Or do you use it to buy things on Amazon that you probably don't need? Believe it or not, your phone is a tool. Furthermore, if you have spent $1,000 or more on your phone, make it into a tool to make money. How, do you ask? Well, instead of watching and being entertained by others on Instagram, learn how to become Instagram famous yourself. Better yet, take note from Ryan Kaji, who at only 9 years of age is a YouTube sensation. Kaji earned an estimated $22 million in a single year and has over 22 million followers. When it comes to your phone and social media, the power is literally in your hands to make money. If you have a Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter account, you can monetize those free accounts and start earning money even without having millions of followers. Even joining an affiliate program could yield some extra money in the bank, all from promoting other people's brands and products. Number 3. Investment apps. So, now that we have established that most of you who are hearing or reading this has a smartphone of some kind, then why not download some useful apps instead of Candy Crush? There are millions of entertainment apps out there, and most of these apps are making others rich. Well, there is another type of app that could be easily downloaded to help make you rich over time, or at least help in building a more comfortable financial nest egg for you. Those are investment apps. Apps such as Robinhood, M1 Finance, Acorns, and Stash, for example, will help you understand the stock market and how it works. With little or sometimes no investment, these valuable apps will help you to not only start putting money away, but will also help educate you and keep you informed with news alerts as stock prices change. On an important note, it is vital for you to understand what you are wanting out of your investment app. If what you are wanting is to invest small amounts of money at a time, you may want to look at micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. But if what you are wanting to do is buy and trade stocks, then trading apps such as Robinhood or M1 Finance might be your best choices. Check out the links to those apps in the description below. If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. Conclusion. Okay, let's wrap up this video. In this high-tech and extremely mobile world that we live in, there are tools around us every day that we may not even be aware of that can make us money. The key is to understand the tools that we have at our disposal and learn how to use those tools to increase our value. Long ago, the only tool that we had at our disposal to do this was our bodies, but no more. We now have social media, investment opportunities that were once not available to all individuals, and high-tech devices to help us achieve our goals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.